Hello world, today I will explain how to migrate from CentOS 8 or Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8 to AlmaLinux 8. Step 0. Make a backup. I repeat, make a backup before upgrading and the conversion procedure. It is important that you keep backup of all files. Again, I repeat, make a backup and then only type the commands. Alright, let's get started. Step 1. Log in as a root user. I am going to type the ID command. So I am logged in as a root user. Next, apply pending updates to CentOS by running the dnf command, dnf space update. Press the enter key. Okay, is this okay? Sure. It's downloading all the updates and then installing those updates. So this is currently CentOS 8 box. Now I'm going to reboot the Linux box because new kernel updates are installed. Reboot. And now we have to wait for some time. Step 2. After reboot, you need to download the AlmaLinux -deploy.sh script using the wget or curl command. So I'm going to type wget and this URL and press the enter key. Now we can actually read the script using a text editor. So this is the script. Now next, set up executable permission using the chmod command. Run chmod -v +x space AlmaLinux deploy. Finally, migrate CentOS 8 to AlmaLinux by typing the command /AlmaLinux deploy.sh script and press the enter key. Now it will start the upgrade procedure. You can see here. And now it started downloading various packages. And upgrade procedure started by reinstalling packages. So total 900 packages are there. So it's going to take some time. The upgrade and migration will take their own sweet time. It all depends upon your server hardware specification, the internet download speed. So all you have to do is wait and watch for errors on the screen. I am going to skip to the end now. and we are almost done. In the end, you should see a confirmation message. Migration to AlmaLinux is completed. So now I'm going to reboot the Linux box. Type the reboot command, press the enter key. Okay, now let us log in. The final step is to verify that AlmaLinux version is running. So simply type cat space /etc/red hat RHEL. So here I am running AlmaLinux version 8.5. We can also use cat etc/os-release file, and again we can see AlmaLinux like RHEL, CentOS, etc. And here is AlmaLinux version. You can also use the hostname ctl command. So here I can see the Linux version as well as operating system version. Then also make sure all services such as MariaDB, PGSQL, Apache and others are running using the ps command or netstat or ss command. So ss-tulpn grep at. So my HTTPD server, that is Apache server, is also running. We can also look for error by typing command like dmessage pipe egrep and look for error, critical error or warnings. So there are no warnings here right now. So that is all for now. It was a simple procedure. I hope you enjoyed this presentation. I placed the tutorial link in the description box. Let me know if you are using AlmaLinux 8 in the comment section below. Take care and bye for now.